Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So finally, after almost a few days, my AirPods 2 finally came in. So I pre-ordered these, of course. I think Apple released them on Wednesday for pre-order, and they finally came in today. So I'm a bit 24 hours pretty much late from a lot of other people who probably already uploaded a ton of AirPods 2 unboxing videos. So here's mine. So same box style. Very simple. So there's only one difference between all the other people that you probably saw already. Is I got mine with the charging cable because I knew that many people were gonna buy the high-end one with the wireless charging case already. So I decided to get with the cord one because I have something else that allows me to wireless charge the AirPods already. So let's begin with the unboxing. So simple box, of course. You just pull up. Let's do this. There we go. I don't want them to fall out. There we go. So we have the designed by Apple in California, and then of course the manual instructions on how to use it, of course, and then the AirPods case itself here. Now there is something special about this one, is that I got mine engraved, which is actually pretty cool that I was able to get it on day one, well, 24 hours later, but day one when Apple promised. So let me focus there. Come on. There. Okay. There we go. Okay, doesn't want to focus right now. So, yeah. Let's peel these guys out. And then I love this material that they use to wrap their products. It's so soft. It's not plastic, but it's like rubbery kind of feel. Really smooth. I really like it. So that's pretty much it right here. And then, oh yeah, the difference, I got mine engraved with my name on it. So of course, like I showed you, right there. And then, boom, nice and clean. They're gonna get a bit dirty because they're gonna be in my ears. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So of course, I will guys tell you my review. Of course, I will gonna try this on, then I'm gonna upload a review video of the AirPods 2, comparing them a bit with the AirPods 1. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this quick unboxing of the AirPods 2. So that's it for now, guys, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.